going on, guys? It's Shae here at Toge Tuning. Got a Honda Accord 2018 to be exact, and this is a 1.5T, 1.5 turbo for those of you that are not aware of all the trim levels we have. This person wanted just a little bit of a boost in power without modifying the car, without changing intakes, exhaust, or anything of the sort. And we're gonna give it to him. We're just gonna add one of the off-the-shelf tunes that comes packed on this Hondata Flashpro, and we'll see what we have to gain. We won't have any dyno numbers, unfortunately, as this service only includes the install. But if there's any of you out there that do want to have the car dyno tuned after this, we can get it done. That sounds like a Subaru coming in.
How do you know?
All right, so it's pretty straightforward. Once you get all these cables untangled, you're gonna throw the Flashpro into the OBD2 port. That's the port that looks like this. It's plugged in, and you can tell, you'll see a power light as well as the USB light, meaning it's plugged into the computer. You'll actually get some check marks at the bottom of the screen there. So there's the driver, the Flashpro, the OBD2, but right now the ECU is not connected because it's locked, or it shows unlocked. So we gotta lock this ECU to the car, and then we can get started. Once you register all the information that you need to, you're gonna have to lock this to the vehicle. What this does is it ensures even if somebody steals this device from you, they won't be able to use it. And all your information will be safe within the vehicle and the Flashpro. The great thing is you can unlock it from the car and use the Flashpro in another Accord if needs be, but it does have to be unlocked from your specific VIN number. Please keep that in mind if you're planning on selling it or switching to another car. All right, so the next step, we're gonna upload the current calibration to the ECU. So let's get that started. You can't do anything until that bar gets that side. Can't unplug anything, you can't turn off the vehicle, so sometimes this does take a little bit of time. Just relax, the power will come. So as you're uploading the new calibration, you'll see that the program light is now on. The last light that you haven't seen yet, and you won't see in this video being used, is the data log light. That is very important. The great thing about Hondata is we can take data log information, which means that somebody like you can get all this info to us without having to come in store, and we can adjust your tune or do what we need to in order to make things work the way they need to, or the way they should be. Seeing every single warning light come up on your dash, that is absolutely regular. This is the ECU recalibrating itself and going through every single thing in that ECU. So you are gonna see some scary lights. Don't worry, if you did it correctly, these will be all gone by the time you're done the tune. Finally, the bar is all done. The green bar is gone. It's not haunting us anymore. I am awake. So the next step, we gotta turn this off. And once the ignition is off, you'll see that go away. We're going to wait an extra 5 seconds, and we're gonna give this a good start. All right, so what we're listening for now is irregularities. It's gonna take a second for it to relearn the idle. So you may hear that the air is coming into the car a little bit awkward, a little bit rough, but it should balance itself out after a few seconds. Okay, so we'll wrap this back up. You can always keep it plugged in, and if you download the Bluetooth app, which unfortunately you do have to pay for, then you'll be able to monitor everything on the fly. Otherwise, the Hondata does not need to be plugged in to maintain your tune or your off-the-shelf map. Just like that, we're back. The car is all in one piece. No screwdrivers, hammers, or anything needed. And we're tuned. Got a nice little flash on there. I'm gonna take it for a test drive quickly to make sure everything is functioning the way it should be. And this customer will be on his way with a little bit more boost under the hood. So yeah, if you want this for yourself, you can shoot an email to sales@togetuning.com or feel free to give us a call. You can also purchase this directly on the website. If you have any more questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. Talk to you soon.